Welcome back to my channel, Maria Vlog 001. For today's video, we will go in Turkey. So we are going in Antalya, guys, the place that we will go. And time check, it's already 11:09 p.m. and we will leave the house at 2 a.m. So I have 1 hour to sleep and 1 hour to get ready because we will wake up at exact, I think exact 1:30. And that's my bag, guys. See you on my vlog there. Bye bye. Hi guys, now we are here in airport going to Antalya, waiting to have a food breakfast, right? Guys, it's so much nice. Woo!
Maybe sa 3 a.m. it starts.
We will have video, guys, there in Antalya.
Flight RJ8102 Baghdad International Airport. All remaining passengers are kindly requested to board the aircraft at gate 1.
Hi guys, we are now here in Antalya. This is our room, my room, and we have coffee here, guys. Coffee mate and biscuit. Hello guys, we have this all peanuts and just fruit. Guys, this is my day, the day in my life. The day in my life. Big word. Actually, guys, this is our room. I bred me and Melissa, and I closed the light, guys, because we are going to swim. So this is the fridge. You see, guys, we have 4 Pepsi, 2 7 Up, and 1 orange and water. And guys, do I need to drink this one? Because it's heavy. No, I will give this to my employer. And we have cupcake. We have orange, guys, for the kids. This room, guys, is for the room here is me and Melissa, and they have also room for them. And see the flower, guys. I love it. And the fruits, water, and plate with knife. So we have also mirror here in front of us, and we have closet. The closet, guys. This is the closet, but we don't put some things here. We don't need some, Melissa.
Yeah, because you're gonna stay here for a long time.
So this is. Oh, I will go inside. And this is the bathroom, guys. We have Have a shower. You can see. You can put it up, but we put it down. Yeah, it's done. And you can put here the soap. We have this bathtub and hello Manila. We have telephone here inside in case, and we have this one, guys. So much clean, guys. This hotel is make me so much pleased. Believe they are so much clean and nice. We have also towel here in the bathroom for the face and hands, shampoos, sabon, soap, yan yung toothpaste, and for the scrub. And we have hair dryer, and this is the big mirror, guys. You can see my face there. This is me. This is me, guys. I'm pretty. Okay, guys. This is the. Oh, so much. The water is hot. This is very. Okay, guys. That's all for today's video. That's all for today's video, guys. See you in my next again video. I will just go down because we are going for swimming, but we don't know if we can take video there, guys. But I will show you the place. So much nice. Mwah, you will love it. Bye, guys. See you next again. Hi, guys. We have all these peanuts and the fruits. We have here the plates and the glass. We have also these fruits, guys, and the sweet. I love this one, guys. It's so sweet. I love these all fruits here.
Yeah.